Greetings. Getchell Gold Corp is pleased to present the results of the updated 2026 Preliminary Economic Assessment that highlights a robust and potentially very profitable operation at the Fondaway Canyon Gold Project in Nevada and represents a major milestone for both the project and the company. The Fondaway Canyon Gold Project is located in Nevada, northeast of Reno, and proximal to the I-80, a major transportation artery connecting the project to the state's major gold mining and processing hub, a highly favorable location for the future development of a mining operation. The 2026 Preliminary Economic Assessment outlines an open-pit mining and conventional 12,000-ton-per-day milling operation with an initial planned mine life of approximately 10.1 years and the sale of a high-grade concentrate to a third-party refinery. The pit selected as the optimal pit shell contains a total tonnage of 339.1 million tons, including 18.8 million tons of indicated mineral resource at 1.46 grams per ton and 24.1 million tons of inferred mineral resource at 1.32 grams per ton for 1.9 million ounces of contained gold. The base case economic scenario utilizes a gold price of $3,200 per ounce, 80% gold recoveries post-refining, 1.38 grams per ton mill feed gold grade, and a discount rate of 8%. The 2026 PEA outlines a highly commercial endeavor, boasting a 28% increase in both contained ounces of gold and average annual gold production, and greater than a 60% increase in base case NPV compared to the previously published PEA. This translates into an impressive $1 billion U.S. pre-tax net present value, an excellent 58.8% pre-tax internal rate of return, and a short payback period of 1.6 years. Taking into account taxes, the project retains a high value with a $905 million after-tax net present value and a 53.1% internal rate of return. Sensitivity analysis reveals a strong leverage to gold price, with a high case post-tax NPV of approximately US $1.5 billion and an IRR of approximately 85%. Supporting the valuation is a healthy production schedule that is projected to generate 1.52 million ounces of saleable gold over the operation's mine life, with an average annual gold production of 150,000 ounces of gold. This production profile would likely place Fondaway Canyon in the top 10 mining operations in Nevada, a world-class gold-producing jurisdiction. In addition, the project displays an excellent cost profile, with total capital expenditures, including a 20% contingency, estimated at a manageable $265.5 million, and low operating costs contributing to a large profit margin. The PEA is supported by the 2026 Mineral Resource Estimate and solely focused on the open pitable resources in the central area, a 1 by 1 kilometer area, that accounts for only 68% of the global mineral resource currently defined at Fondaway Canyon. There remains significant upside potential to continue to expand the mineral resource estimate with the mineralization open along strike and dip. The next series of frames will present slices through the deposit, demonstrating the consistency of and confidence in the mineral resource estimate, as well as the compelling opportunity for further expansion. 3 sections will be presented: Section C to C prime through the Colorado zone, Section M through M prime through the middle of the deposit, and longitudinal Section L to L prime along strike. In addition, the drill hole results from the 2025 drill campaign will be highlighted on section, as reference to the success and impact that 10 drill holes can have at Fondaway. On section C to C prime, drill hole FCG 2529 demonstrates high-grade gold mineralization at surface. FCG 2530 shows up dip continuation, and both FCG 2531 and 32 reveal thick gold intervals extending the gold mineralization down dip, with the latter hole ending in mineralization. Layering in the 3D gold grade block model, the consistency and continuity of the gold mineralization become apparent, with the resource remaining open both up and down dip for further potential expansion. Moving 300 meters to the southeast, Section M to M prime displays the center of the deposit where drill holes FCG 2533, 34, and 35 filled in an area that was previously void of drilling. Hole FCG 2533 intersected three major gold intervals, highlighted by the lower interval grading 1.4 grams per ton gold over 122.3 meters and ending in high-grade mineralization. This series of drill holes definitely filled the gap and demonstrates strong continuity, with the mineralization remaining open for further potential expansion down dip. For the third and final slice, we are rotating the cut line 90 degrees and taking a longitudinal slice through the middle of the mineral resource denoted as section L to L prime. As previously noted, holes FCG 2533 and 34 returned better than anticipated results, solidifying the mineralization in the center of the deposit, with hole FCG 2536 adding to the story. This hole is the furthest drilled on strike to the northwest in the central area. It accomplished three things: 1. Extending the mineralization to the northwest; 2. Discovering a new high-grade gold zone; and 3. Opening up the prospectivity and confidence that the mineralization continues in this direction. The 2025 drill program had a major positive impact, confirming the strong continuity of the gold mineralization, significantly enlarging the mineral resource estimate at Fondaway Canyon across both the indicated and inferred mineral resource estimates, and demonstrating that the upside potential remains undaunted with the gold mineralization open for further expansion. The merits of the project are as impressive as they are numerous. There is evident value here substantiated by a large mineral resource estimate, a robust preliminary economic assessment, an advantageous location within a supportive mining jurisdiction, and all under the auspices of a strong gold market. Furthermore, the Fondaway Canyon Gold Project maintains significant upside potential. With the gold mineralization open for expansion, the project's advancement to pre-feasibility, and the potential to be one of the top 10 gold-producing operations in Nevada. I will finish off with a quote from our chairman.
The strong economics outlined in this PEA support my high expectation for the Fondaway Canyon Gold Project and underscore the potential significant valuation upside for Getchell Gold Corp. And the commensurate reward for our shareholders.
Thanks from Getchell Gold Corp., trading on the CSE under the symbol GTCH, GGLDF on the OTCQB, and GGA1 on the Frankfurt Exchange.